yeah, we haven't actually come across one of the waterfalls yet. Not quite sure if it's because we've gone a bit off path or if just because it's dried up. Yeah, as expected, here comes the rain. Wasn't expecting hail. Ow! some sort of guillemot or something. Wow, we just bottomed out there. Oh yeah, we're right on the bottom here.
You guys good?
Yes. Thank you.
No problem.
I was worried for a minute, then you were coming to tell us we'd done something wrong.
No, just coming to see that you're alright, just having a little chat.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel, and you join me on rather another windy, blustery and rainy day today, but it doesn't really matter. Sunshine, wind or rain, we'll still be outdoors. And today I was supposed to be doing about a 10k hike, which is supposed to include 7 waterfalls. But even though today is a rather blustery day, and although it's dried up a bit now, it was quite rainy when I first started the hike this morning. But actually, the reservoirs and rivers around this area are actually quite low. You can't really tell here, because there's quite a bit in this stretch of reservoir that I'm going past now. But you will see on some footage that I'll put up in a minute that it's actually getting quite low. And this 7 waterfall hike that I am walking on at the moment with my daughter Rianne and her partner Stephen. Yeah, we haven't actually come across one of the waterfalls yet. Not quite sure if it's because we've gone a bit off path or if just because it's dried up. So we're about halfway around this 10k walk at the moment and haven't seen sign of a single waterfall. But it doesn't matter. It's not about, well, as much as it'd be lovely to see the waterfalls, it's just amazing to be out again hiking. This is the first chance I've had to get out since Rose and I did the 5-day road trip to the Lake District. I'm actually back in the Peak District today, and we're doing a bit of a hike, as I said, and then the second half of the day we're going to get on some water, maybe a reservoir. Going to have a look, see what's around, and I'm going to get out onto the water with a canoe. Should make for some good footage. It's a little bit blowy for the inflatable canoe. It might be a what not to do video than a what to do video, but yeah, anyway, it's just good to be out. And I mean, look guys, look at these views and the reservoirs in the bottom of this valley. I mean, you just see for miles. Absolutely stunning. Anyway, let's get on, see if I can find one of these waterfalls. I'll see you soon, guys. I'm about 3/4 of the way through this hike now, and I've not come across one of the 7 waterfalls, so I think, as suspected, that it's dried up too much. Even though it's very cloudy and rainy today, there's not been a lot of water anywhere near as much as you'd expect during this time. And yeah, not come across one waterfall yet. Now I know we've strayed off the route a little bit a couple of times, but yeah, I was expecting to come across at least one of the 7 waterfalls, but it doesn't matter. It's just beautiful. We've had some nice little climbs and hikes, woodland walking, and now moorland views. But better crack on for this last quarter, because I don't know if you can see, but just over here on this line, that valley right in front, that's a lot of rain coming down in that valley in front of us. And I'm heading that way, so best crack on before we get soaked. Well, as predicted, I don't know if you can see this wall here. There's the rain just about to downpour on our heads, I think. Just in front here, just in the valley. I don't know if you'll be able to make it out on the GoPro, but it's just a thick, misty wall of rain coming straight at us. So here it comes. Feel the first spits. Wow. You can literally see that wall right in front of us. Any second now, it's just going to be like BAM! Wall of water, I can tell. Yeah, as expected, here comes the rain. Wasn't expecting hail. Ow! It's going to be a wet one. And as quick as it arrives, it moves on again. Sky behind us all dark and menacing. The sky's heading towards us, all brightening up again. Just enough of a downpour to soak you through to your skin, and then it moves on. God, I love this country in the summer. See you soon, guys.
Feet up on the dash and the calling open road. Road trip classics on the radio. With your hand tied in mine, there's no such thing as time. Now we can go anywhere you wanna go.
We have made it to the water, to a reservoir actually, but due to the hike early on today, we've made it here a little bit late. It's like 2:30 now, and I didn't realise we have to be off the water about 4:30, shuts at 5. So we've only got a couple of hours, and there is a launch fee from this reservoir. There's £16 per vessel, which I thought was a little steep. The last time Rose and I had to pay, it was only a £5. No reduction because it's only open for a couple more hours, so I thought that was a little bit naughty really. But anyway, we are here, and the weather has definitely brightened up. It's beautiful. I was worried for a minute, then you were coming to tell us we'd done something wrong.
No, just coming to see that you're alright, just having a little check.
Oh, no,
So
no.
you capsized me going past through your boat, yeah?
Well, you see, you not seem slow down, so I make ways for you.
We're all good, thank you.
I can do if you want me to.
No, you're alright.
Capsized me. I saw that sabotage.